Good evening. Today I am going to make some oatmeal cookies. I've got sugar and brown sugar. Oh, I got an egg, and I've got some softened butter. Okay, I'm going to mix that up. I put the recipe in the descriptions. I'm just making a half a batch, but I will put the whole description in it. I mean, recipe in the description. That brown sugar melted. I had a phone call and I had to stop. My daughter called me. And so I'm going to finish this up. But I got... Okay. Alrighty. I've got flour and salt and baking powder, and I got cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to get that stirred up. Okay, and I'm going to put my oats in there. This is instant oats, and you know, you do the quick oats is what it is. Okay. Let me move you over here. And put these about 6 inches apart. Alright, I'm going to put these in the oven about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'm fixing to get them out of the oven. They look good. putting them on a wire rack over here. I've still got a few I've got to put in here. Some left over. Couldn't get them all on the pan. Put these in the oven. Alrighty. Let me get these over here. There they are. There you go. They look so good. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you so much for watching.